Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to automatically add events to your Google Calendar whenever someone submits a form using Zapier. Let's get started by clicking Create Zap on your Zapier dashboard. For the Trigger app, search for your form builder, for example Google Forms or Type Forms. Now choose the event that detects new responses, like new form entry. Connect your form account, then pick the specific form you want to track. Click Continue, then test your trigger to make sure Zapier can read recent submissions. Now for the action step, search for Google Calendar and select Create Detailed Event. Connect your Google account and choose the calendar where you want the new event to be added. Next, map the fields from your form to the calendar event, like the event title, description, start and end time. Once that's done, click Continue and run a test. If the test works correctly, go ahead and publish your Zap. Now, every time someone submits your form, a calendar event will be created instantly, no manual entry needed. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.